Want to break up with your body hair? Try this Ubtan. Mash up some papaya, which has a chemical that exfoliates away hair. Add in BESAN for physical exfoliation and a pinch of turmeric to loosen your hair follicles. Apply it wherever you want, let it dry, and then scrub it off against your hair growth. So no more painful goodbyes to body hair. This one is the ultimate fighter against stubborn neck and underarm pigmentation that refuses to leave you. Start with orange peel powder to brighten. Mix in rice flour to exfoliate and enough milk which will nourish your skin. The mixture should be a thin paste that you can gently scrub onto pigmented areas. Try this and you're sure to win the battle against pigmentation. Want to hydrate your patchy knees and elbows while providing them with that essential glow? Take oats, the ultimate gentle scrub, mix it with BESAN to fight pigmentation, and pour in sesame oil to hydrate, nourish, and lock in the moisture. Scrub your knees and elbows for a few minutes and then rinse for super moisturized skin. This super basic Ubtan will give your face the glow and love it deserves. Get your hands on some sandalwood powder, which is great for evening out skin tone. Add a pinch of turmeric to make you glow and make it into a paste with rose water, which will reduce redness and inflammation. Apply it all over your face and clean it off in gentle circular motions to help exfoliate and reveal radiant skin. If you liked this video, we have another one with even more Ubtan recipes that you love too, right here. Make sure to check it out. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous. Hi everyone, we wish you all a very happy Independence Day from Team Glamrs. Let us know how you'll be spending the day in the comments below, and we'll ship out a special gift box to one of you.